We're on 4.6, the fundamental theorem of algebra. This is video number 3, and we are determining the number of imaginary zeros for a function if we are given the degree and the graph, and we need to explain why we get what we get. All right. Oops. So for number 5, it tells us our degree is 2 and gives us the graph that looks like this. All right, so the first step to do is find on the graph how many real zeros we have along the x-axis. This parabola never touches the x-axis, so I have no real solutions, no real zeros. So if I have a degree of 2, I'm going to subtract the number of real zeros, and that leaves me with the number of imaginary zeros. So I know I'm going to have a total of 2 zeros, 0 real zeros, and 2 imaginary zeros. For number 6, we have a degree of 3 and a graph that looks like this. So we look on here, every time it crosses the x-axis, we have a 0. So I have 3 real zeros. So if I take the degree, that's the total number of zeros, and I'm going to subtract the real zeros, and that gives me the number of imaginary zeros. So for number 6, I have 0 imaginary zeros. All right, now go to your practice and do problems number 17 and 18.